One of the ways to end up with a successful animation is to plan out how you're going to draw your creature. So when I look at this image, I can see that there are different parts. So the body right here is going to be up under the head. That way we can animate the head movement and it won't reveal empty spaces. You can see mainly maybe starting here with the head, and then those ears can be behind it so that those can also, if we want to, wiggle around some. Of course, something like this, very easy to think about how that is going to be one shape, and it can move back and forth, spoing, maybe even pop out. But I'm going to start, I think, with the head, and then I'm going to draw this face, kind of a mask shape on the face. And then we're going to have this nose on top of that, along with some green stripes. You can see that we can just make the stripe go across the top to bottom of the face, and then the eye can be on top of that if it's filled with white. Even if you have areas that you're not going to color in, you do want to fill them with white so they're not transparent. We're going to have a second set of ears. My apologies to the original artist. I'm just kind of making things up as I go along. Things like the tails, pretty straightforward. We know those can be animated. They'll be on their own layers. And the arms and legs and stuff like that as well. But plan that out ahead of time, and then we'll have more success with the blob brush tool. That is going to be our primary tool for this, because trying to outline the shapes is much harder than simply filling in the basic shapes. So we'll get started in Illustrator now that we've got an idea what we want to do.